All right, so hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lala, and if you're a returner, welcome back. Okay, I recreated this look from Megan Thee Stallion at Coachella. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you've been under a rock, but I'm gonna insert the picture right here. Check out my good sis, y'all. Okay, and this is the look I came out with. I think it looks pretty accurate to her makeup. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. All right, so hey y'all, we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna use my elf jelly pop primer to prime my face. Gonna put that all over. Yeah, and now I'm taking my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer and I'm going to use that to prime my lids. And I'm gonna blend that with my Real Techniques buffing brush, I believe. Now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution concealer, and it's basically in the color white, and I'm using that as my base. And while I'm doing my makeup, we're gonna talk a little bit about Miss Meg. Okay, the performance behind this look was truly iconic. I mean, I'm a Megan stan, so anything she do, I'm 10 toes behind her, and that's always. So like I said before, this look is inspired by the look she had during her Coachella performance. And during Coachella, she came out with this new little song. It was a bop, it's a hit, and basically everybody is saying, oh, it's about Tory Lanez, da 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 da. Why y'all think it's about Tory Lanez? Why y'all want Tory Lanez and everything? Like, who said it had to be about lame ass Tory Lanez? Why couldn't it just been about a nigga, a ex? Why couldn't it just been a song for the girls? Okay, now I'm taking my James Charles eyeshadow palette and I'm going in with this brown shade, these two brown shades, and I'm gonna put that into my crease. But yeah, like I was saying, why couldn't it just been a song for the girls? It seems like the media just wants them against each other or something. And it's annoying. And it's like every single update they had with the case, they put it on the shade room. Now I'm taking it that black shade and I'm going to use that to make the outline for the wing cut crease. Every single update, they put it on the shade room. Stuff not even happening. I felt like news that wasn't even news. They put it as news, like we were supposed to give a damn. We don't. Okay, by the second week that this was going on, I was over it. I was tired of hearing about it. I was tired of people talking about it. I was tired of the beef. I still don't even know what happened with her and her best friend. Like, what was really going on there? Do y'all know? Does anybody know? And why they not cool no more? I know they're not cool over the Tory thing, but it's weird. Another weird little aspect of this story that it don't make no sense to me. Like, how does this fit in the puzzle piece? Kylie Jenner. What? How? Why? Why was she even there? I didn't even know they was cool like that. I didn't even know they was rocking like that. To all be hanging out, kikiing. But I mean, I guess. But if she was there, why she not getting no heat? Like, clearly she was a witness of some sort. So yeah, I don't know. Weird. And now that I have the outline of my wing cut crease, I'm gonna blend it to make it as smoky as possible. And then it was the little weird time period when Tory was trying to make it seem like and swear up and down that Meg was a liar. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer and I'm using that to cut the crease of the winged cut crease. And Meg was this and Meg was that. And some of y'all show y'all true colors with that one, because y'all tried to make Meg to be what's the opposite of victim? The abuser? The culprit? I don't know. Whatever the opposite of victim was, y'all was trying to act like Meg wasn't the victim. And people keep saying she lying because she said she cut her foot, but she already said why she lied, and there were 4 bullet casings found on the scene. Somebody shot somebody. And now I'm gonna take this little white shade and that brown shade, blend them together and tap it onto my eyelid. And then Tory was talking about some DNA evidence on Twitter. So of course Meg had to come out with the text messages that Tory sent. He was saying, oh, I'm sorry, oh, this, that, da, 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 da. Don't be sorry now, nigga. Don't be sorry now. Niggas love to be sorry after it's all said and done. You know what I mean? I hate that. And clearly he wasn't that sorry, because to this day he is still deny. He's still denying. I feel like it would have been much more noble of him, much more, manly of him to say, you know what, this is what I did. Next, I'm taking my Inglot gel liner in silver and adding a half moon liner in the crease. I shot you, Meg. My deepest apologies. Whatever time I serve is what time I serve. I just can't stand when people can't take accountability for their actions. You know you shot her. Why? What's the game? And what's crazy to me is that there are people, men and women, right now, swear to God, Megan Thee Stallion never got shot. Y'all don't ever take women seriously. Ever, never, ever. I want to say it's something that happens in the black community, but I feel like it's just women in general. When it comes to domestic violence, like, nobody takes that shit serious until somebody's dead. So there's that. Next, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild eyeliner and I'm going to add the wing to my eye. And then, of course, recently Megan came out with the interview with Gayle King, where she spoke all about the situation and what transpired, why she said that she actually stepped on glass when she didn't, and it was to protect Tory, because we all know the police have never been kind to black men, black people in general, but especially black men. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm going to tap that all over my face. And that's real cute. That's real nice that she was like, trying to protect everybody. But baby, if you just shot me, you're going to jail. Expeditiously, you're going to jail. Like, what? Jail time. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer and I'm going to conceal my under eyes as well as my forehead and my chin. And in the interview with Gayle King, she did express how much she regretted doing that and basically lying and saying that she stepped on glass in order to protect him. Next, I'm taking my Black Radiance Contour Palette and I'm contouring my nose and my cheeks with the darkest shade. It was a cute little noble act, but what did Dolph say? The same niggas that you break your neck for will be the same niggas that'll cross you out and wet you up. Didn't Dolph say it? Dolph said it first. Now I'm taking my Jarvis Place concealer that's closer to my skin tone and I'm putting that around the edges of my lighter concealer. For my nose contour, I'm using the same e.l.f. hydrating concealer. So yeah, moral of the story, like, you cannot be putting yourself out there for everybody. You can't. You cannot go the extra mile for everybody. You can't. CANT. And I also just hate how at first, like, Meg was being silent and she wasn't saying anything. She wasn't telling her side of the story. Like, when somebody do you dirty, another lesson in this is, when somebody do you dirty, throw them under the bus. Throw them under the bus. Throw them so far under the bus that the bus is going to have to back up to get them out. They need to be under the bus. Like, I hate when people get done dirty and they be like, I'm going to be the bigger person. No. Now I'm going to take my Fenty setting powder in the color Honey. And I'm going to set my under eyes and my contour. But yeah, the time for being the bigger person is over. That's done. That's giving very much 1800s, okay? No, it's 2022. Be the smallest person you can be. Some people just gotta get back. I'm sorry. God be taking too long. Now I'm gonna take my NYX matte lip gloss in the color, I think it's Abu Dhabi. And I'm going to put that on my lips. Ironically, I'm going to use my Kylie Cosmetics lip gloss and I'm going to put that over the NYX matte lipstick. And now I'm going to set my face and just a little conclusion, moral of the story. Throw that nigga under the bus as soon as you can. Alright, y'all, and this is the finished look. I'm in love with it. I feel like it looks so accurate. Now, even threw in a little sparkly one piece to try to match the outfit that she had. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below anything you want to see me do next. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you're notified every single time. And yes, I do mean every single time I post a new video. I will catch y'all in the next one. Until next time, keep it cute. Mwah.